Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you a very fast and easy recipe for mayo. If you don't know how to do it, just follow the steps, and this is really easy, and I guarantee that you can make it in 2 minutes at home by using a hand blender. Okay, so first step, egg yolks in. You just have to put it in a very tight container, so the blender is going in just like that, okay? And now a little bit of water. All the ingredients you can find on the end of the video, so don't worry, you don't have to write down. A little bit of Dijon mustard, yeah, lemon juice. As you can see, all the ingredients you've got already in your fridge, so why people are bothered to buy a mayonnaise in the shops? I don't understand. Vinegar and oil. Bang. It's not a mayonnaise yet, but don't worry. A little bit of salt, maybe a little bit more. And now we've got all the ingredients in the one place. So let's start doing the magic. Have a look at that. And slowly we're going up, slowly. See? It's very nice and thick mayonnaise in 1 minute. Beautiful. Tastes great as well. It's very creamy and very fresh mayonnaise. This mayonnaise, you can use it for about 5 days if you keep it in a jar in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.